going to be showing you how we create the text reveal effect using CapCut. So first off, we're entering into our CapCut app. So get into CapCut and I'm going to click on the project we'll be working with. So I click on this right over here. Okay, this is it. Then we're going to be adding a text, a suitable text, whereby we're going to be adding a text. So I want to go with a simple text like, let me just choose, let me say walk, or let me say prove. I think let me choose the word prove. Okay, we'll type it here. PROOVE. Going to make it bolder a little bit. Then I go to animations. I just want to add animations to like get this boom effect. So I'm going to be choosing the in animations. Then I'm just going to be choosing below. So this is it. Then I'm going to take the text down to where the video ends, exactly where it ends. This is perfect. Then we go over to the text. This is it. Then I'm just going to do some little adjustments here and there. Then I'm going to export it. I'm going to wait until it exports. Alright. Then we go back to our video. Our original video. I think it's this one. So we'll go over to, no, I want the original video. So I'm going to just be deleting this. Go over to the first video. Then I'm going to add the second one, the one guys. So I'm just going to go over to add overlay. Then I'm going to be adding the video that I already exported, the one with the text. I'm just going to go to add. Then it just automatically become an overlay for this video. So this is it right here. And it's already fitted perfectly on this. I'm just going to highlight it. Highlight it like this. Then drag it so it fits the screen. Sorry guys, this is taking a bit of our time. Then it's perfectly fitted now. Then I'm just going to highlight this second one, then scroll over to max. You can see the max option right here. Then I go to horizontal. I click on adjust. Now I'm just going to go to rotate. So it's going to rotate the text the way I want it to appear. So I'll be choosing this way. And I just go back right here, back to where the text starts. Then click on keyframe. Sorry. I'm going to click on I'm going to just scroll back, go to the beginning of my video, scroll back, then add a keyframe. So I'm just going to be moving the video gently and dragging the max along with it. You can see how gently I'm moving. Yes, gently. And please mind you, all my text will not be entering into the video because I just figured out that my video is too short for the letters I used. Or let me rephrase that, my font is too big for my video. So you can see I'm just doing it gently. And that's it. So let me just show you guys how it looks like right now. So you can see that the text is now appearing behind the person, just like the text reveal effect. So that's it, guys. You can see that the text is now appearing behind the person, not in front of the person. So that's just like the text reveal effect.